Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Cali Cat is in my lap. You gonna say hi? Gonna say hi? Say hi. She's like, ooh, pet me, pet me. Y'all, today we've got another Pipsticks subscription. This is a sticker subscription if you've never heard of it. It is rather new to my channel. This is my second or third. I can't remember. But yes, very fun sticker subscription. They have for adults and they have for kids. They have a petite for adults and a petite for kids. So you have 4 different ways you can subscribe to this one. Actually 5, because if you get both of them, the adult and the kids, you get a discount. So that's pretty cool as well. Wow, this is a reflective baggie. So let me put that down. I can tell you a little bit more about the sticker subscription. So the kids monthly subscription is $17.95. You get 15 sheets of stickers. It's worth $50 or more. If you want the petite version of that, where you'll get 7 sheets of stickers, it's $11.95. Now the prices on the adult ones is the same as the kids. You know, $17.95 for the big one, which is the Pro Club, and then $11.95 for the Petite pack. By the way, you can cancel anytime. It is a monthly subscription. They do have themes each month. This will be for July. Let's just look inside and see. They have all kinds of stuff on their website you can buy individually as well. They have booster packs that they offer you, like $50 packs of stickers. I've never bought any of that. They have vinyls. You can go through and buy packs of different stickers. They have a whole shop of all kinds of stuff. Very cool. All right, that's out of there. Let's see what this says. Yippee! Your guide to the sticker revolution. They have folders where you can collect your stickers. They even have, I think, like a Facebook page or something where you can trade stickers on there. It's pretty cool. This is July 2022. DIY Travel Memory Keeper. Travel Bucket List. Pips Design Studio. It is my understanding that they design and make all of their stickers themselves. So I think that is super cool. Super cool. So just a cute little activity book and a sneak peek at August stickers and the August kids pack. So that'll kind of show you the difference between the adult stickers and the kids stickers. They come in this nice little baggie that is resealable for you to keep your stickers in. I love that. And we're just going to pull everything out. See what this is. Very cute little postcard. Scenes in a window. Oh, how cute. These are good quality stickers too, by the way, y'all. I knew I should have filmed this over at my vanity. Maybe y'all would have had less of a glare. But they are super cute. Oh, I love this one. Pets on board. Look at the little puppies they have in the backpacks. Oh my goodness. That's super cute. There's a little kitty in a backpack up there too. Very adorable. Love them. This is Travel Goals. I better get started. Keep calm and travel on. Say yes to the adventures. The best things happen outside of your comfort zone. Bye. Let's get lost. Say cheese. I found my happy place. All kinds of cute little sayings on here. Adorable. Look at this one. It's a gigantic travel bag. This is World Traveler. It's got like stamps, passport type stamps. The backpack. Fragile. Iceland. Explore more. I love to travel. India. Hawaii. Egypt. Japan. England. Very cool. This is The Journey Begins. I guess this is what you're thinking about packing. because I see luggage, a lady sitting on her luggage, sunglasses, a curling iron, a face mask, shoes, lotions and potions and makeup bags, and a camera. All kinds of cute stuff. Adorable. Here is the en route borders, the washi tape. Look at that. It's got the airplane with it and the train tracks and the, is that a bus? Yeah, it's a bus. That is just adorable. This is Roaming Gnome. Oh, I love the gnomes. I love the gnomes. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna sneeze. I know you don't like it, baby girl. I'm so sorry. Bonnie doesn't like it when we sneeze. It's got airplanes. It's got the gnomes. It's got the photos of the gnome in different places. That's too cute. That is adorable. So here is the stained glass village, which is what our postcard was. Very cute. This is On the Road by Lisa Loeb. Now, I knew she had collaborated with them for last month. I didn't know she did this month as well. That's so cool. It's got like a little picture of her album, the tour bus, vinyls, t-shirts, her guitar, music notes. Very cute. Lipstick. A little ticket to her concerts. Very cute. This is Grand Adventure. So there's globes, world atlases, maps, all kinds of cute little things. These are adorable. And here we have Capture the Moment. This is photography. You got photos, cameras, old style film. You know, the kind that used to be flammable back in the day. Very cute. Kat, you're distracting me. This one is San Francisco sights. Oh, very cute. Look at that. There's that road, that infamous Rome, and the bridge. Very cute. This is Long-Winded, where you have all kinds of tulips and windmills. Very cute. Very, very cute. Yay, look at our little vinyl sticker. This says, Live, Laugh, Wear Sunscreen. Look at that, isn't that adorable? Too cute. And then we have some letters. In-flight alphabet. Very nice. So that was what we got in the PipSticks subscription for this month. That was my stomach, I'm sorry. That's what we got in the PipSticks subscription for the month of July. What did you think? Did you like these stickers? I think they're cute and adorable. I love how they name them all. They give you the big vinyls. Now in the booster pack, I've seen some amazing set of stickers. I just haven't wanted to pay for it yet, but maybe one day we will venture into that set. But tell me what you think. If you're a sticker addict like me, I'm sure you will love this. I believe, let me think about this. Okay, so I do have an affiliate link below. If you do want to try this subscription, it will give me like a sales lady commission, teeny. Doesn't give me any of your information or anything like that. But I do appreciate it if you use any of my links. Some of them are affiliates, some of them are referrals. It helps me out. I appreciate it so very much. Also, if you want to help the cause, there is a new little button down there called the Super Thanks, where you can give a tip to me as your creator. I appreciate it if you do that. If you don't, that's okay too. I just appreciate a thumbs up, a follow, a subscribe, all that good stuff. Subscribing to my channel is free, so thank you so very much. Word of mouth helps a lot too, so if you'll share with your friends, tell them about it, I appreciate that. Y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless.